right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to find the degree of a polynomial. Now, polynomials obviously means more than one term, but you can do a degree of a monomial as well. And the way you determine the degree is by the exponent. So in this monomial, the degree is going to be a 3, because that's the exponent that this term contains. If you had a term that looks like this, the degree of this monomial is going to be a 7, because it is the total number of exponents. In this case, the x has 2 exponents and the y has 5, so you have a total of 7. So in this case, again, your degree is going to be 7th degree. The degree is always determined by the term that has the greatest number of exponents. So if you have something that looks like this, see the degree of that is going to be a 10th degree. If you had added to that, if you had something that looks like this, this is now a 12th degree binomial. It's a binomial because we have 2 terms, right? The number of terms is how you tell whether it's a monomial, a binomial, a trinomial, or after trinomial, anytime it's more than 3, we just call it a polynomial. So let's see what it would look like if we had something like this. You have 4x to the third minus 2x squared plus 9. Now in this case, you can tell the degree. Again, look for the one that has the highest total number of exponents. In this case, this term has an exponent of 3, which would make this a 3rd degree. And the fact that we have 3 terms, we have 1 term here, we have 1 term here, and 1 term here, would make this called a trinomial. Something that looks like this. This is going to be a binomial because there's 2 terms, and the degree is going to be 3, because even though the negative 7x is the first term, the term that has the highest exponent is the positive 15x cubed. So that's the term that's used to